Hey friends, let's put a wig in a big messy updo today. I'm using the hair grip, which is my favorite wig grip of all time. I love this wig grip. It works the best in my opinion. And the wig I'm using is TressAllure Blaze in the dark color Dark Amber HL. This is a synthetic wig and everything will either be described in the description of this video or I will have a link in my bio to all my Amazon accessories that I show in this video. So when you put your wig in an updo, the first thing you need to do is make sure it's very secure. That's where the wig grip comes in. But you can also adhere it with some sort of adhesive if you'd like. This wig does not need any adhesive. And you don't even need to wear a wig grip. It just makes it a little easier to put it in an updo. Now what I'm doing here is I'm tugging it down in the back because it will lift up as I pull it up. So keep tugging it down. I just did a little twist with my hands and now I'm throwing a claw clip in. What's great about a wig like this is it's open wefted. You can put that claw clip right through the wefting. That's going to hold it super securely. Now I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to pull out some of my bio hair to blend. If you can't do that, no problem. Just pull down some of those side hairs like I'm doing here. You may need to trim them up just a little bit. I have a video showing you how to put a wig in an updo and how to trim some baby hairs with a little handheld thinning razor. That is on YouTube. I will put the name of that video in the description so you can find it. It's so easy. I just love wearing wigs and updos. One of the most simple hairstyles, looks so natural. If you're struggling with the wig wearing journey, styling your wigs may make all the difference.